today we had several emails and customer service calls asking which short they should get. Okay, a lot of people are concerned when they start snowboarding, or if they've been snowboarding and they've fallen a few times, they have bruised tailbone or bruised butt. So I'm going to go over the differences between the Zero short on the butt side and the X version 6 short on the butt side. So let's do it. So on the back side of the Zero, we have what we call a nice comfy air foam right here. You can see that this is a good 3/4 inch thick foam, and that goes all the way down to the upper side of your hamstring, essentially up and around your butt, just like that. So you've got full coverage of really thick padding right there. On the tailbone area, there's a CE rated elastic tailbone here, and then under that tailbone there's a thin layer of D3O recycled foam technology. So on the tailbone you've got a 3-layer piece right here, and then you've got the comfort foam all the way around. This is a great short that provides a lot of coverage, especially if you're going to spend a lot of time sitting on the ground. The Zero short. Now, for the X version 6 short, we've got a lot going on here. So let's go over it. First of all, you've got 3 pieces of D3O here. You've got one here, one on this side, and then an additional piece in the tailbone. On top of the D3O, you have these layers of thermoformed foam that run the back side of your leg down your hamstring and then on your tailbone right here. Now you see you have open access right here with the fabric, and why we have this is for the flex and the bendability of the version 6. So this is going to be much more flexible than the Zero. You can see on the Zero we have sew lines here to allow the foam to flex. On the X we actually have gaps of the material, so you get a ton of flexibility. Now the way that we protect in here, because you still want to be protected in these seams right here, that's where we have our TPS insert. So this yellow piece of material is a 1/2 inch thick of air foam, which is super light and comfortable. You can see, actually I'm going to pull it out right here. So you can use this short with or without the TPS. But essentially with the TPS in, it covers your entire butt area, your tailbone, your legs, and now these gaps right here are still covered with this foam. So that's why the X flexes really well and is very comfortable. Okay, in addition, on the X, you have the X Connect system. This is a